I want to do the least amount for the most results so I can focus on what matters more. And if that didn't already convince you, this is why you should too. As with anything in life, training is limited by the law of diminishing returns. The more you do does not necessarily mean you get equal results. A certain amount of action yields a substantial amount of results, but every little bit you add after that is much less. Take the Jeff Nippard Essentials Training example. I'll link his video down below, but he dives into the research that actually looks at the least amount that you can do and the insane percentage of results that you can get from doing that. On top of that, Layne Norton has a great example about this in terms of weight loss. Did you know that the vast majority of the benefits that you'll receive from losing weight comes within losing the first 10% of your weight? Therefore, my thesis is you should not care about meal timing. Now, studies have shown that yes, more protein feedings do provide more opportunity for protein synthesis to occur. But ultimately, that what really matters is the total amount of protein that you're eating for the day. If it's the sufficient amount of protein, then you're going to be able to build muscle and maintain lean tissue. On top of that, we also now know that the protein window has been debunked. It is not a 30 to 45 minute window after your training in which you need to consume protein or you'll go catabolic. We know that's not true.
It doesn't matter what you think.
It's actually more about 2 to 3 hours in which you should probably get a meal with protein in after training. And now that's even more important if you trained fasted. Now to fully optimize, sure, 4 to 5 meals of protein a day is probably going to be ideal when you're trying to build muscle. But I want to enjoy life with my family, look my biggest and my best, but doing it sustainably. So I don't focus on this, and neither should you. You will get the vast majority of the benefits that you want by eating enough protein, eating enough calories to fuel your goal, building muscle through progressive overload with resistance training, and getting sufficient sleep. As a parent, you have thousands of other things to think about, and focusing on meal timing is honestly just splitting hairs. Focus on the 20% that will get you 80% of the results, and then when life is more conducive, you can dial things in for a time. But to get the most so that you can look really good with the least amount of effort, so that you can spend time on your family, life, work, the things that matter more, don't sweat over meal timing. And to see this actually in action, click or tap the screen right up over here to see how 5 minutes could be all the difference that you need to get the body that you've always dreamed of. And as always, be intentional. Thank you for being here, and I will see you over there on the next video.